and then you use the alcohol. So it's first the pull from left to right, and then we do actually, there's no filtration, so it's a panel. So then we do from left to right again till you get all the way to the bottom. And then we would do the sides on top, but it's actually, instead of up and down, it's from, it'll be horizontally clean. So
That's the opposite of the
so
airflow.
it'll be this way. Until you get all the way to the bottom, and then same thing over here. And then toss that, get a new gauze, and then it would be, there's going to be like a, what is it?
An enclosure?
Enclosure on top, so then this would also be left to right, so you get all the way to the bottom. And then lastly would be down here, which would be from left to right till you get all the way to the end. And then that's how you do vertical.